Morning, children. It's Wednesday, the 20th of January, and it's time for our writing session. It's Mrs. David here. Today's writing session is about thinking about our text, how to wash a garden gnome, and it's about answering questions about it. So I'm going to ask you some questions, and I want you to see if you can think of the answers with your grown-up. So, number 1. Think about the opening for How to Wash a Garden Gnome. Can you tell your grown-up what rhetorical question is used in the opening? Number 2. Name the second and third items needed in the you will need list. So what items came second and third in the you will need part of the instructions for How to Wash a Garden Gnome? Number 3. Do you think you should wash the gnome inside or outside? Why? If you said inside, why should you wash it inside? And if you said outside, why? Talk that question through with your grown-up, please, children. Now, for a further challenge, I've got some questions now that you can answer in your books. If you would rather do it orally with your grown-up, you can. But if you want to, you can write these down, the answers in your book. But when you write the answer in your book, please try and write in a full sentence. So, number 1. What adjectives are used to describe the gnome in the opening? So an example for how to write this in a full sentence would be noble and noble and nervous are examples of adjectives that are used to describe the gnome in the opening. Number 2. What time conjunctions are used in the text? Talk this through with your grown-up. Number 3. Why is it important to wear waterproof clothes when you wash things? Number 4. Why do you think it's important to keep things clean? Brilliant, children, well done. You've really understood the text well and you've talked through the answers with your grown-ups, I'm sure. Well done.